Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and I have a whole new hairstyle, sis. Yes, I'm giving you guys 1999 Aaliyah type of vibes. You know, like y'all remember when Aaliyah used to have these kind of bangs, like it's just like covering her whole eye, super deep part just like flipped over or whatever. So that's kind of the vibe that I'm giving, or I was trying to give at least in this video, showing you guys this beautiful hair from Asteria. If you guys want to know how to get this look and my thoughts on AsteriaHair, then definitely continue watching. Okay you guys, so let's go ahead and slay this closure wig, okay? So oftentimes I can admit that I'm a little bit intimidated by closure wigs, only because I feel like they're limited as far as styling is concerned. You know, like with a frontal you can definitely do a lot more with it. You can, you know, have a very realistic look without it looking so wiggy, and I feel like a lot of times with closure wigs, that's what closure wigs tend to do, is look kind of wiggy. So today we're gonna slay a closure wig and I'm going to challenge myself to do something a little bit different. I'm going for like a super exaggerated side part, kind of like an Aaliyah bang. And what I mean by that is, like, when Aaliyah has bangs, she doesn't really have like your typical bang. She kind of has something that's like covering her whole eye. It's not really layered or anything like that, you know, like a regular swoop bang. So I'm gonna do a very exaggerated bang like Aaliyah, kind of. That's kind of the vibe that I'm going for. So I've already parted my wig on my mannequin head, as you guys can see here. So it already has a curved part. Now I could totally go in and pluck this part, which I might do. I just don't know about it just yet. So I already have my wig cap on. Because this is a closure wig, we don't have to worry about putting on the Got to Be Glued spray or anything like that, because most of the wig is going to have elastic on it already. I did make this wig and I use a mesh elastic cap, so you see you don't really need to have any kind of adhesive or anything, because it's going to stretch to the fit of your head, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So you don't need to do that. So it makes it a little bit easier as far as that's concerned. So let me comb my hair, comb the wig out. Now I have in 4 bundles. I have well, it's like 3 bundles and a piece of the 4th bundle, because I literally got like 1 row of the 4th bundle. So I have in a 20-inch closure, 2 22s and 2 24s. So I have 2 24s in the back, a 22 at the top, and then a 20-inch closure. So that's that. So I'm just gonna put the wig on now so we can get to styling. So yeah, I want this part to be like super exaggerated. So I'm just going to go beyond that point and not worry so much about swooping that back yet, but just like kind of getting our hair situated. Zoom out a little more. I'm just trying to see like how far over I want this part to be. I think that's pretty good. Maybe over a little bit more. Something like this. So let me see, because it'll come like that and then that'll go back there like that. Okay, that's fine. Before we get started into the styling of this wig, I'm just gonna let you guys know everything it is you're gonna need. So you're gonna need a spray bottle. This is just full of water. You can pick these up from like Target or anything like that, even your dollar store, and they will have spray bottles there. The next thing that you're gonna need is a heat protectant, and this also adds some shine to my hair. I use this quite often, but this is like one of my favorite products, and it protects your hair, obviously, and it adds a really nice shine to your hair. So this is the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection Spray. It helps shield hair from heat damage, and I really like this, and it smells amazing, so I love using this. The next thing that you're gonna need is some Got to Be Glued gel, and I I'm going to be using this for my baby hair, so that's the purpose of this. We all love this product. You can use it for so many different things, and it's just an amazing product. You're also going to need an old toothbrush so that way you can do your baby hairs, so we have that. And you're going to need a comb. This is a comb that I got out of a pack that I was sent. I was sent a pack of combs, and this is part of that pack. But you can definitely pick up a comb like this for 99 cents at Sally's or any local beauty supply store in your area. And lastly, of course, you're going to need a paddle brush. This is one that I picked up from Forever 21. How much was this brush? This brush was $4.90, so $5 for this paddle brush from Forever 21. It's just a pink metallic brush. On camera it looks like orange or something, but it's pink, like a baby pink on top of that. As far as the hot styling tools that we'll be using in this video, we are going to be using this flat iron. This is my favorite flat iron, and I love this thing. It is pretty expensive. It's an investment and it's worth it, honestly. If you need a really good professional flat iron, this is something that you should use. A lot of hairstylists, professional hairstylists, use this flat iron. This is the Babyliss titanium plate flat iron, and I believe this is like the 2-inch one or something like that. I don't know the dimensions of it, but I use this flat iron. It gets super hot and it has titanium plates. The other thing you're gonna need is an electric hot comb. So yeah, you've seen this in a lot of my videos. I've had this thing for years. So yeah, that's that. I've already placed my wig down, and what I did was last night when I made the wig, I trained the part already. So what you need the spray bottle for is basically to like spray the hair and like get everything in place. Like I wanted this hair to like be coming forward instead of like going off to the side, because that's how we get this kind of bang. So that's pretty much what I did there. And this is just going to train your hair to go where you want it to go. This side is coming over here, and that's that. So that's what we're working with so far, right? I am going to pluck my parts that I already have.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
now, a part of this front piece is going to be covered anyway, but that's pretty much how you get that part. And our part is trained to come forward. The next thing that we need to do, now that we have our part widened up, you can see that we have more of a scalp like, you know, situation going on. You're going to get your flat irons and you're going to get your Beyond the Zone heat spray. So the first thing that you want to do is spray your parting area wherever you're going to be, you know, pressing your hair. And you don't need a whole lot of this. A little really does go a long way. So now what you want to do is you want to get your hot comb and you're just going to press this out. Be careful because you can burn yourself. I actually burned myself last night doing this. So yeah. Part of our hair is going to go back behind our ear, and that's going to go back there, and then this is going to kind of fall off to the side. But this little area, as you see, like it's not looking that realistic yet. You do want to comb this in case you have like any tracks or anything trying to peek out. Boom. Okay, so we still need to flat iron our hair, but before I flat iron the rest of my hair, I'm just going to like do something here with this part of my real hair where it's like sticking out right here, and I'm just going to get our Got To Be Glued and this toothbrush and just get a little bit of that on the toothbrush. And then just go right here. Move this out of the way. And just curl that piece like that. And I know you guys can see like the gel or whatever, but it's cool. It'll be fine. So then you can bring this back down. Okay, so that covers up like that. And then I'm gonna do some more baby hair. Okay, so now we can flat iron the rest of our hair, and it's gonna be so quick and easy to do. So same thing, you just want to get your spray your hair, get your paddle brush, and just comb all of that heat protecting through your hair like such. And then we'll worry about this side in a minute. Flat iron has been preheating, and just grab a random section and get to flat iron. I mean, you guys can already just see like how nice this hair is. Like, I absolutely love this hair. Like, as you guys can see, this hair is like extremely silky, just bone straight. It's nice and full all the way down to the very ends of the hair. Like, the ends are nice and full. It's not like a bunch of like split ends or anything like that. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. As you guys see, this hair is extremely silky straight. I absolutely love this hair, and yes, when I say it like covers my eyes, it's just like, you know, this is the kind of vibe that I was going for. I could like comb it over like this so that's not like so far in my eye, but I kind of like it like that, honestly. And then this part, as you guys can see, is just gonna be in the back part. But I really like this hair. Super long, super silky, and it just really like does it for me. So if you're anything like me and you're just kind of like, I don't know when it comes to like doing the whole closure thing, I'm always like, when I receive a closure, I be trying to like figure out different ways to like style it or make it look cute, because I feel like there's only so many ways that you can style a closure. So this is one way of doing it. You can have like a really cute, like, you know, silky bang little situation. And I mean, look at this hair, you guys. Honestly, so bomb. Just so silky and healthy. Like, just look at it. AsteriaHair, sis, if you've been asleep, wake up, because look, all the way down to the bottom, this is just some really nice hair, and it's super long. Y'all know how much I love really long hair, so it goes all the way down here, like my stomach area. And yeah, I have a little tie-up situation. I am probably gonna go out in a few minutes. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then yeah, I just did this little piece because I felt like if I did this little piece down here, that'll make it look like not so much like a closure wig. It would make it look more like frontal-ish. I don't know what y'all think. Is it cool or what? I love it. I honestly do. Just so bomb. So yeah, I highly suggest checking out AsteriaHair if you have been looking for some really good quality straight hair, because honey, I have no problems with this hair, no tangling, no smells, and this is the natural color of this hair. I did not dye the hair like jet black or anything like that. So let's get into like details about the hair. Of course, I have a 4x4 closure, and that is 20 inches. I have 2 bundles of 22 and 2 bundles of 24 inch, and that is what got me this look. I did get the wig to be pretty doggone full, if you ask me. I mean, it's not like nothing too crazy, but I really like how full this wig came out to be, how full the bundles were, and the hair is just really silky, like straight. As you guys can see, like this is some really good quality hair. This is what you want to see with some hair. I absolutely love this hair. Highly suggest checking out AsteriaHair if you're looking for some good quality straight hair, because girl, I have no complaints. I honestly, like, this is that hair, like your hair is so bomb, like you just want to go somewhere. Like I just want to go somewhere right now. I don't know where I want to go, but I just want people to like see me and look at how bomb my hair is and how, ooh, hello. So shipping time for this hair was in a matter of a couple of days. I got it within a week's time, so that's always a plus. The hair was shipped to me via DHL. There was no special packaging or anything with this wig, which is why I didn't show you guys anything like that. The hair just came in those regular like clear plastic bags, and it was labeled as far as like the number or the length of the hair. But other than that, there wasn't really anything going on with the packaging. It's just like, you know, simple. And that just lets you know, like, this company is more focused on finding good quality hair than worrying about packaging. Because some companies, they'll have like amazing packaging, but the hair is just mediocre. It's just like whatever. But I mean, I don't really feel like I even need to say much. Like, you can kind of look at the hair and tell like that this is some good hair. This is like, you can see how it moves. This is like that Instagram worthy hair. You know, like when people be on Instagram and they be showing off the hair and they be going like this and they be putting it in slow motion and stuff, like that's this hair. If I was starting a hair company or something like that and I needed a vendor, I have to be honest and say like this is a company that I would get like my straight hair from if I was to be selling hair, because you know, if you're selling hair and it has your name on it, you want the best of the best, period. Like you don't want no mediocre hair, but this is like beyond my expectations. I had no idea that this hair was gonna come out like this. I've seen a lot of YouTubers reviewing AsteriaHair. Well, I'm not gonna say a lot, but I've seen a couple of YouTubers reviewing their hair, and they're pretty popular YouTubers. Most people have pretty good things to say about them, so I was like, well, let me check it out for myself and see, like, you know, is it up to the hype that I've been hearing about? And honestly, you guys, like, if you haven't heard about AsteriaHair and you haven't tried them out, I highly suggest. I mean, like, look how I'm just so easily able to just like run my fingers through my hair. It has no tangling, no shedding or anything like that. It has given me absolutely no problems, and I just love this hair, honestly. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you to AsteriaHair for sending over these luscious bundles, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.